Hi guys, we have done half of this and now I just felt like I should, make a video so that it will help somebody. So this is what I'm showing in a lid of a Ottoman. It's a rectangular Ottoman, and what happened was the center of the Ottoman, it started sagging. I'll show you why. So I turned it upside down, and what happened was there were no it was all empty here. There was nothing. It was just being held by here and here. So the whole thing came out, popped out from here. So what we did is we had some loose wood in the house, and we measured the distance between the two, and we cut the wood. Like, we have taken 3 of these, and then we will need this stapler, okay, wood stapler, and we stapled here, like here. And then we have stapled this portion also because it has become weak. So now this is intact. So now it is all set. It is stiff and it is hard, just like new. Now what is remaining is we have to cover, we want to use a new cover for this because there are some stains here because of the dog. So now what we have decided is we want to use this fabric that we have at home. So I'll now step by step show you how we are doing this. So we placed it and we left some fabric this side. So now I'll show you what we are doing. So we have aligned with this blue line, and when we fold, this is exactly what we want, so that we can staple here and fix it. And then this side, like how we do gift wrap, I'm going to wrap it like this. And so we will staple this portion, and here we will cut the extra fabric and we will fold it, and again the same side. So once it is stapled, I'll show you again. So we have aligned the cloth, and we will be, so this is how we want to staple. I think 4 will be enough. And now when we come this side, we have to pull it and do, because otherwise it will be soggy from the other side. Start. And now we'll follow the same procedure this side. So guys, we completed this. Can you just lift it? So yes, this is how we have done. And the last thing would be, we can cover the middle portion with some black cloth, like how it was done before, like this. But yeah, we can cover the whole thing like this, but I didn't like this is worn out, so I'll have to find another cloth for this purpose. But for now, this is perfectly done. And can you turn it again? So see, it's all done, it's perfect. And actually, usually our dog, it prefers to sit on this Ottoman, so it's ready to go for the dog, and anybody can sit. This is simply superb. It's tight, it's like new. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope it helps somebody to fix their Ottoman instead of just discarding it in the trash. Thank you guys, and have a good day, and please like the video, and if you feel like, do subscribe. Thank you.